They had this beautiful ecological study. They had the Maasai warriors, the warrior-age males who would consume meat and dairy only, compared to the Akakuyu, who were largely a vegetarian tribe. And they were genetically similar because they were intermixing via marriage. So, beautiful study. The diet of the Maasai consisted to a large extent of milk, meat, and raw blood, and the Akakuyu mainly of cereals, roots, and fruits. And then physical measurements showed that the full-grown Maasai male is 5 inches taller, 23 pounds heavier, and his muscular strength, as determined by the dynamometer, is 50% greater. Marked differences were found in the incidence of disease, bony deformities, dental caries, anemia, pulmonary conditions, and tropical ulcer being much more prevalent amongst the Akakuyu. But here's the kicker. On the other hand, intestinal stasis and rheumatoid arthritis were more common amongst the Maasai. Had a look at the data. They actually measured something called the rheumatoid factor, which is one of these proteins produced by your body when it's trying to attack itself. But they had these autoimmune issues triggered by the dairy. Let's talk briefly about the intestinal stasis, constipation. So people may not know this, but morphine is very constipating. So opiates, these drugs, we know that these opiates are incredibly constipating. Most people probably don't realize is that dairy contains morphine.